Okay, so first I'm going to show you the slam ball. These kind of dead weighted balls on the top. So they're really great functional movement, also really great for getting any aggression out of you if you've had a hard day. So all you're going to do is reach up to the top, slam the ball down to the ground and pick it up and do it again. This is really working the shoulders, the arms, the back, the core, the quads, everything really. So it looks like this. Extend my arms overhead. I'm going to slam down as hard as I can. I'm going to pick it up. Back up to the top, slam it down. When I pick it up, I'm going to make sure I've got a nice flat back. So I'm not doing this. Nice deadlift up to the top, slam it back down. I'll just do a few at this angle. So like I did there, you can slam it down and then pick it up, or you can try and cycle it a bit like this. Like so.